So, Figure and Apptronik just revealed their latest humanoid progress, but which is leading? Today on AI News, we compare 6 crucial areas for you to decide which to buy, rent, or skip, starting with Figure 3's arrival at the BMW plant after Figure 2 helped to assemble over 30,000 cars, and this is the future of BMW's labor force. In terms of payload capacity, this robot handles up to 44 pounds or 20 kilograms, and it walks at 2.7 miles per hour here, using its tactile fingertips, and it's using its 6 cameras throughout its body to navigate over to these pieces of plastic with 1 additional camera in each of its palms. You can see it manipulating these packages here. That's 8 cameras in total, using its tactile sensors, sensing as little as 3 grams in each of its proprietary fingertips. And in terms of its AI, what you're seeing here is Helix 02, which is a 3-system approach, autonomously charging this robot with wireless inductive coils built in to its feet. And when it comes to real-world execution, here are 6 different tasks. 5 of these are Figure 3. They actually were able to sort over 40 hours straight, uninterrupted, with each robot serving for 5 hours at a time, as well as perform kitchen cleaning tasks and general house care tasks across different items, even in tandem with 2 robots working together with each other over the air to fold this blanket, which hasn't been replicated yet by other robot companies. And when it comes to the expected price and release date, so far they've built more Figure 3s than they have employees at Figure, over 700 in fact. And each of these robots, they're aiming for a price of about $20,000, with some of the latest reports being around $24,000. And they plan to have over 100,000 robots in the next 4 years, with a deployment strategy of late 2026 for a wider set of non-commercial partners. But let's see how all of this compares to the newest Apollo 2 from Apptronik. This robot can handle a payload capacity of up to 55 pounds or 25 kilograms, and it actually walks at 2.1 miles per hour, and it's already working at Mercedes-Benz, as well as with Google DeepMind, with LiDAR and onboard Nvidia hardware for 275 tera operations of AI processing. And this robot actually takes over-the-air updates, with it already working at Robot Park, which is Apptronik's flagship 90,000 square foot data collection and training facility. And so far, in terms of their expected price, they're looking at a long-term target of about $50,000 US, with continued commercial side pilots through the end of 2026, and possibly a wider rollout to regular customers in 2027. Plus, there's actually a 3rd robot that just came out from AGIBOT named the A3, and here is what the director of physical AI had to say about it.
Because 2 batteries hits, 1 battery will last him about 3 to 5 hours. So this is enough to last the entire event. During his operations, it fully safe, remove 1 of his batteries, charge, and put it back in. So you see this is empty right here. And also there's a good handle.
And in terms of specs, so far we know that this weighs just 55 kilograms, and it can function for 10 hours long using its 10-second battery swap system with the ability to work in swarms that are synchronized between 100 separate robots. Then in terms of hardware, it features shoulder tactile sensing, but the rest of the info around this robot is still unavailable as AGIBot is continuing to release this slowly. So comment down below if you have any more information, and also what you think this A3 should cost, or if it would be better to rent or just wait for the A4. At the same time, in the generative AI world, Google Omni Flash and SEEDANCE 2.5 are now head-to-head, with Omni Flash now in public preview for all users in Google's AI Studio. In fact, Omni Flash provides even faster, cheaper video generation and conversational editing. Plus, its multimodal support means it accepts text, image, audio, and video, so you can feed the model text prompts combined with reference photos, audio clips, and existing videos simultaneously. And Omni also handles multiple output formats, native audio generation, and complex video synthesis from just one prompt. And currently it's priced at 10 cents per second with a multi-turn conversational video editing style that allows for adjustments of any detail, track text, or anchor graphics with plain language. And generated videos are up to 10 seconds long at 720p, 1080p, or 4K resolutions. But which is superior? Because ByteDance also just officially introduced its own SEEDANCE 2.5 on its Dreamina platform, which is a major update to the inclusion of region to video or R2V reference tracking, which allows creators to use green screens or even white models to map character spatial locations, as well as structured motion paths rather than relying solely on text prompts. On top of this, the model significantly extends clip durations, with the standard mode offering 30-second video clips and the beta long video mode offering 180-second clips, all while preserving character identification, lighting, and scene consistency. And to streamline workflows, SEEDANCE 2.5 also supports up to 50 multimodal inputs, including text, scripts, photos, video, and music within a single generation process. But tell us down below whether you prefer SEEDANCE 2.5 or Gemini Omni Flash and why. And like and subscribe, as well as check out this video, and thanks for watching.